There's a few other things that I want to show you as well. So what you could do is you could take your elliptical select tool, and if you wanted to, you could even paint polka dots. So the reason why you wouldn't create shapes is because it would be annoying, and then you'd have a million layers. Here you could just literally use your ellipse select tool, take your paintbrush tool, take a color, and then literally paint over the section, and then make sure the section is rasterized, and then there you go. And then again, you could transform the selection, move it somewhere else. You could even, manipulate it and change it so it's either bigger or smaller. And then, oh, you could even, we'll leave it here. So I'm just gonna do that, paint over here, and there you go. And then select, I could even deselect and then, maybe go somewhere else. Now, the only thing is you have to be careful with, like, if you want to, put it on the side. Um, in this case, I would probably, honestly, I probably wouldn't do the painting if you want to have it hang off. So I'm going to do one more polka dot here, and then I'll show you what you can do for the hanging on the side. So then instead, you could take your ellipse tool now, and then you could, take the circle and have it go half on the thing. I'm going to match the color. I'm going to try to. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so there's the color. And then what I can have it do is I can have this circle go inside of the text. So usually if I just hold Alt and click, it goes inside, or you could go to layer and then you could do clipping mask. And then there you go. So there's the shape inside of it. Trying to think what else you could do with text. Oh, you could even, maybe I want like a drip kind of text. You could create, your own like little spews or whatever. You could kind of like use the pen tool. So if you use like, if you click and drag, you could kind of create like this kind of thing, and then you could have it drip. Um, Obviously, like you want to make it, go as best as possible. So we might have to adjust it a little bit. So I'm going to take the path direct select tool, and I'm going to just fix it, here, here, here. I'm going to bring this down a little bit too. And then also I would just change the color to black because I want it to match with the, this shape. Another thing you can do is if you actually want to make, your own like little drips, you could use the rectangle tool, and then you can use the, let's see, you could use a circle, but honestly, I would just try and, do it myself. So then I would just, make a drip, and then come like that. And then I'm just going to zoom in because something got a little messed up. Yeah, I'm just going to fix it. So let's see here. Oh, wrong shape. Where did it go? This one? Yeah, here we go. So I'm just going to twist that out and just fix it so it's a little bit better. I'm going to move that up and then move this over. And then there you go. You kind of have like your own like little drip tool. What you could do is also, let's see. I wonder if I could manipulate. Hold on one second. I'm just curious about something. I doubt it, but I'm just curious. Oh, you can. Cool. So let's see. Yes, I wanted to kind of like curve the edge like that. So you could double click it, seems like, to get that to do that. But then I want to just bring it out a little bit more because I don't need it to be so, um, hold on, let's see. How can we do this? There we go. And then I'm just going to fix this side too. Hold on one second. So you got to be careful because clearly it's a little finicky. I'm just going to fix that a little bit more on this side. And then that looks pretty good. I'm going to move this shape up now so they could connect. Oop, I'm just undo that. And then let's see how that looks. All right, let's zoom out a little bit. So then I have like my own like little drip. Obviously, I would probably go back in and fix that a little bit more. But there you go. You have like literally your own shape. And then I could resize it. I just want to go on the right shape. And I could add that here. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to rasterize it first. So then now it's all one shape. There we go. Then I could hit control and then I could resize it to the way I want. And then I could place it somewhere. So you could do that as well. Okay. And yeah, like I said, there's so many options that you guys could do. So there should be no excuses as to why you can't manipulate your text. All right. Good luck.